Well, I think you said we use the whole body approach. And I really think that what we're talking about is the whole family approach when we put our efforts
Yes.
together here. Because we have to take care of the whole family. Because as I discussed, each patient has 10, 20 to 30 things they have to work on. We prioritize them and we say, okay, work on these 5 to 7 things for the first 6 months. Well, guess what? That's a lot of work for the caregivers. And a lot of the tools that you have for the caregivers help support them and help them better understand how to work with their mild cognitive impairment or Alzheimer's patient and help them do these things that the patient needs to do in order to make progress.